Hey guys, we're back with another episode of WTF. Woo!
Yeah, you should do this.
I was going to do that, but I didn't know if you get like stuff in your mouth. Okay, we're back with episode 5.
Yeah, I've got my tail between my legs because I had the lead and I let it go.
I just really picture our dog, the little tail between the legs.
Just me, Bob, Penny sat in the corner, just miserable because I lost.
Yeah. So I managed to win last week's episode. So we're drawing again, 2-2. It's really starting to look like series 2, isn't it?
No, because all the challenges are completely different.
No, but I mean, like a rabbit chase.
The scoring system, yeah.
If you haven't watched series 1 or 2 yet, do make sure you click the playlist above. We have all of the episodes linked. But shall we get right into it and see what the fudge is in the box?
Ooh. Don't stare at it, Kate. Hello, Kate and Alex. We want to start by saying how fun last week's episode was, and well done to Kate for pulling through and getting the W.
The win.
I knew you'd be confused about that for a second.
I thought it was like a V and 2 dashes. Like This week is an exciting one as we welcome you to the WTF St. Patrick's Day special. So crack open the Guinness and we can get started. Matt's got us a Guinness. Original XX. That's not usually on there, is it?
No, this is the extra stout.
I've not seen a bottle Guinness in a long time. We
double
had quite a big response on one of our recent candy box videos asking if you're a beer lover or not. And I think a lot of people are more with me, not the biggest fan. But actually, there was quite a lot of people who were with you.
Of course they were.
Quite a lot of fans of beer. Here we go. Need a beer can.
By magic.
Maybe we'll open it with that. So this is the extra stout. So do let us know down below. Actually, no, we'll do a poll this time.
Happy St. Patrick's Day, Kate.
Happy St. Patrick's Day to any of our followers that will be supporting it.
Oh, I've really cocked this up.
Support it. Yeah, Alex loves to say how he's a beer lover 2 times now that you poured beer recently, and look at the head on that. Even I know that you shouldn't be pouring it like that.
Yeah, I just get overexcited and then...
But that completely ruins it, doesn't it?
Doesn't ruin it, it just takes longer to drink now. Right, take 2, let's pretend that didn't happen. Oh, that's better.
No, it's not.
Yeah, you want a good head on your Guinness.
Why did you let me pour that?
We'll get another glass, there's still some more.
No. Did you even get any of that or just foam?
Yeah.
I was looking and I was like, there's no Guinness going in there. I've not actually tried a Guinness in ages.
Oh, when did you have one before?
Like when George or Dad had one.
Oh, really?
Just a sip. I don't like Guinness, but I do like a baby Guinness. Better than beer though. Oh, it's got that really horrible aftertaste, hasn't it?
Do you think?
But I appreciate people who like that.
As you probably guessed by the colouring pencils, I didn't look.
No, I didn't look. You told us not to.
This week you will be releasing your inner creative. In the box there are 3 traditional Irish pictures. Your aim is to replicate each picture using the colouring pencils provided. Easy, right?
Oh, we forgot to tell you about the blindfolds. You will only have 10 seconds to look at the picture before you put your blindfolds on and start drawing. Once you start drawing, you will then have 2 minutes to complete your masterpiece, and the winner of an Instagram vote will win a point. There are 3 drawings in total, so 3 points up for grabs. Good luck, guys, the WTF team.
So this does not, after losing last week, this does not play well into any of my fortes.
Why? Because it's blindfolded. Doesn't play well in my forte either.
Yeah, but you're a better drawer than I am.
Not blindfolded.
Yeah,
I don't practice the art.
It doesn't make any difference. If you're a better drawer, you're a better drawer blindfolded or not.
Although, no, because me and Matt went to an event, the In Darkness event, and we had to draw portraits blindfolded, and people voted for Matt.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, so here's your blindfold.
No, that's yours.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
So, this is what we've got. Ready? Mm-hmm. Our first drawing is this. It's the classic Irish four-leaf clover.
I made sure. Right.
3, 2, 1, go. It was easy until I took my pencil off the paper.
And now
I just don't know
can't
where
work out where I'm
is.
colouring.
Seems nice around there, a little bit around there, a little bit of shading. Are these watercolour?
Okay. I think I'm done.
Oh, you're done already?
Well, I can't really do much else because I don't know where to colour. I'm just trying to colour in the centre of mine.
Yeah, same. I feel like mine
Are you still colouring?
might, semi look like it.
Really? I don't think mine, because I've...
No, but now I'm worried that it doesn't.
Well, because I've coloured it, I feel like I've now ruined it.
Really?
Okay, should we look?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Okay, I thought I was...
What? I didn't do any colouring.
I was only colouring because you were colouring. Where is your pencil? Were you just on your side like this?
Oh, because my pencil's so tiny, so I wasn't actually drawing.
Well, I feel like you're going to win. Because look at mine.
Mine is actually a good shape, isn't it? Oh my word.
I should have just kept it simple and not... Alex's is really good, but I've gone for the hearts, whereas you've gone for just plain.
Yeah. Well, I just thought there's no way I'm going to be able to do that.
I kind of wish I wasn't colouring in now. Oh, I wish I didn't colour in.
I'm glad my colouring in didn't work, because look, it would have been all over the place.
Yeah, it would have been over there. Oh,
dear.
how
How funny is
annoying.
that?
I feel like you've got that one.
No, I don't think so.
I think so. Look at that. No one's going to vote for that, are they? Okay.
Right, I'm just going to put 1.
Hey guys, it is that time again. Me and Alex are filming some WTF and we need your help to decide who is going to win each round. So follow along and click and vote on the polls for us, please. Thanks, guys. Okay. So we have just done our first Instagram poll.
And also don't forget that each one gets progressively harder. And I thought that was hard enough.
I thought that was hard enough.
So if there's another one where my pen has to come off the paper, I just don't know what I'm going to do.
I've learned a lot from round 1.
Right, so this is number 2. Okay, you ready? I'm going to show the camera first. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
I've had a sneak peek of that and I'm...
It's the Guinness logo. It's a harp.
Do you know the Guinness logo?
Not really. I just recognise that as the Guinness logo.
Oh my word. That's really hard.
That's so hard.
Oh my word, I'm not going to be able to do that whatsoever.
How are we going to do that?
I don't know.
Right, anyway.
Okay. Okay, we're going down.
I've kind of already forgotten what it looks like.
Me too. Should we have another little look? Because I don't. I haven't got that at all. No looking at that is going to help.
No.
Okay, going down. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, dearie me.
I think I'm trying to shade this time. I think I'm like... There's no point in having 2 minutes. I don't think you can do much more.
No, I can't do any more.
Because I've drawn a couple more things. I just think I've probably made it actually worse than it was.
Yeah. Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah, I might as well stop. I don't think I can do much more.
Oh, sorry, I've already opened. 3, 2, 1.
Oh dear.
Look at mine. What is that?
Oh, goodness sake.
Did you think you did more than that?
It's so much. Well, I thought it was bigger
Show
than that.
the camera.
I just thought it was so much bigger.
I thought
than
mine
that.
was massive.
Yours is quite big.
But.
How funny though. Oh no, yours is right, yeah.
What do you mean mine is right?
I just thought yours was the reverse or something.
Oh, you thought I was doing it like backwards or something? Is yours? No.
No.
How funny.
That's terrible.
Okay, mine's awful. People of Instagram are going to be like, what the heck? Okay, we've taken our photo for this and we've done our poll for this. So
This
we'll
is the
find
most
out in a
art
minute.
I've done in a long time. Put that over there.
Okay. I think this might be an art challenge.
Well, that
Alex
was-
might actually win.
That was hard enough as it is, but as he said, it gets progressively worse. So what's this next one going to be?
Bring it in, maestro. Oh my god, it's big paper.
It's a big bit of paper. If we have to change colours, this is going to be a nightmare.
no.
That's why we've got 5 colours. We've used 2, so that means we must use at least 3.
Yeah.
Ready? I'm going to show to the camera first.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. I'm going to... Is that enough, Matt?
Oh!
It's a leprechaun!
It's a leprechaun!
It's a leprechaun!
Oh my word.
Oh dear.
Good luck, Al.
Good luck to you too, sir.
This is just like anyone's game,
Yeah.
isn't it? Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. As soon as my eyes are covered, I like can't see it.
No, neither. I've like forgot what his face even looks like.
This is a bad idea.
Ugh,
Is
that
that it
freaked me
already?
out, yeah. Stop! Pencil down!
Okay.
How do you think you've done?
Terribly.
I think I've done
I think
terribly.
mine's gonna look like some kind of piece of
Like
abstract.
mashed up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like a kid's drawing.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay.
Okay.
Mine's not actually that bad.
Mine's worse than I thought. Oh my word! How have you done that?
Look at his beard. I thought his beard was going to be right off. Is that the beard?
Yeah. And then I've done the jacket over the beard. And then there's his bow tie all the way
You've
out
got a
there.
good,
and there's his belt. And there's
But
his
you
left
tried
shoulder.
to do his arm, didn't you?
His left shoulder's down here.
Do you know what I did this time? Oh look, I completely missed the colouring hat.
Missed the hat.
So what, I don't know if you can see with my lines, this bow tie is all one line.
Oh, very cool.
I didn't put my finger off,
That's very
and
cool.
that's there. And actually this time what I tried to do was, what I did was there, I was like, okay, that's the top, and then I kept my finger there.
Really?
And I was like,
clever.
right, there's
no
my
wonder
hand.
Yours is kind of like.
That's
not
why the
badly
hand's
in
always
the right place,
there.
yeah.
I really didn't think the beard was going to be right, and at the end, that is an absolute fluke that the face is in the middle. Absolute fluke.
Really?
I just thought, as long as if I just
I
do
can't
it.
believe you've got the beard like round
I
his
can't
face.
believe it. I'm really impressed with that. I'm really impressed with that. But that shoe I thought was going to be massive as well. But I tried to work with the full width, so I knew if that was the bottom of the page, that's where the foot would be. I probably ruined it with
It's
the
funny how I've gone on a slant.
Yeah.
Strange.
How funny. Right, let's get posting on Instagram and we'll be back with the poll votes.
Very shortly. So, we've taken a quick 5-minute break. We're going to look at the results now. We just want to give it a little bit of time so we could get some
distance, hopefully, between the two.
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
Hopefully, I don't think for some of the pictures it's going to take that much time to distance them.
But isn't it funny how, like, right now, it really depends on who's watching the story?
Yeah.
Like, it's fate. Like, weird,
Yeah.
isn't it? Okay, we're going on to Instagram.
The first one, which was the
Clover.
four-leaf clover.
I feel like you're going to definitely win this one.
I feel like if there's any of them I will win, it's got to be this one.
Well, let's have a look.
This is my only chance for a point.
Oh, a
yes.
big win.
Yes, 61 to 39. So that's a good win for me.
Oh, well done, Al. So,
Cheers.
1 point to Alex.
1 point to Alex. I get to keep my
Oh, no,
my
you
photo.
keep that.
I'll keep this.
The
But
chance to
the
win.
only thing is, I kind of think it's downhill from here because I think your two were better
You
than
think?
yeah, definitely your leprechaun and most probably your Guinness thing. Yeah.
Okay, we'll put it
to
on
the
the
next one.
On to the next.
Oh, 60. It's gone the other way. 64% think yours is better.
To 36.
Yeah, your shape
Isn't it
is much
funny?
better.
They're literally almost flipped over.
Because what I didn't realise before is you've actually got the width of the shape.
Yeah,
whereas I've literally just an outline.
Yours is quite triangular,
Mine is just-
isn't it? Let me
yeah.
take a screenshot. So I think the reason why I've won there is, like you say, yours more looks like a Dorito,
Yeah.
doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Some sauce on.
So I get that one, so 1-1.
Oh, and I definitely haven't won this last one, so it's over.
Let's have a
it's
look.
over. Oh no!
94% to me.
No.
And 6%. I think that's a clear winner.
That's a landslide.
Sorry, I hate to say it, but yeah, it's a
Let's have a
landslide.
look. Yeah, it's because yours actually resembles a person, whereas
Yeah.
mine is like an abstract diagonal mess.
Do you hold your pencil quite light?
Yeah.
I think I was really digging into it because not only is yours not the greatest
Yeah.
shape, it's also very like pale,
Hard to
isn't it?
make out, yeah.
How
It's because I'm
funny.
not like fully committing to it. 94%.
Yeah, you're
would you
probably
believe
just a
it?
bit. Whereas I was like, I'm gonna just dig in and I'm gonna
So,
Go for it.
Well done, you've won that.
Thank you, Al.
So
Well,
that's,
the
what's
thing
that?
is-
3-2 in the series now.
3-2 in the series. The thing is, yeah, we're halfway.
3-2 to you.
It
It's
would
like
be
last
bad.
series all
It would
over
be
again.
bad if I didn't win these more creative ones because you have better strengths elsewhere.
Yeah, in the gym with these guns.
No, currently I'm lifting more than Alex. That's
Are you?
because you had a shoulder injury.
What? When are you lifting more than me?
You're not even doing weights yet.
Yeah, I am.
Oh.
You've seen me.
Yeah, but you're doing your bands, your TheraBands.
Yeah, that's my warm-up.
Oh, right.
Because I have to do that.
What are you lifting?
What do you mean? I'm lifting dumbbells. I'm not doing machines like you.
It's still a weight.
What?
A dumbbell and a thing
I
is
can't
still a
believe
weight.
you're saying that I haven't lifted any weights.
I forgot that I saw you doing that, yeah.
Look at this. Look at
You had an
this.
injury, I'm not being mean.
Yeah. Like ages ago now.
Oh, it's really funny seeing Alex at the gym.
What?
No, I don't mean in a bad way.
I was there long before you were
no,
there.
I know. It's just like Alex. I don't know if you still have the notebook, but Alex like has this notepad, and like after he's done his set, he like writes
I
it
like to keep
down.
I like to keep a note.
See him on his
I'll talk to
TheraBand.
Alex Crockfit about it. He'll
Yeah.
say I'm right.
Yeah. Yeah, no, it's good. I do sometimes write it in my phone. Anyway, did you enjoy that?
I enjoyed it, did you?
I enjoyed getting the colouring pencils
And
back
you
out.
enjoyed winning.
No, it was alright, yeah.
Right.
No, I did. I might get my adult colouring book back out now.
Yeah, I think you should.
Who else had one of those? I think it was last year's
It seems
Christmas.
more your pace.
Yeah. I think everyone got one for Christmas last year
I didn't.
almost. Well, a lot of my friends.
Okay.
Anyway, we hope you enjoyed that and we'll see you next week for episode 6.
See ya.
See ya. Bye, guys.
Bye.